In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Keep to Google Calendar. This is a really simple but powerful setup that lets you see your Google Keep notes directly inside your Google Calendar, so you can stay organized without constantly switching tabs. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and I'll also share a few small tips to avoid common issues. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that you normally use for your Google Keep notes. If your notes are in one account and your calendar is in another, they won't show up together, so it's important that both services use the same login. Once your calendar is open, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several small icons. Among those icons, find the one for Google Keep. It looks like a yellow square with a white light bulb inside it. Go ahead and click that icon. When you click the Google Keep icon, a panel will slide open from the right side of your calendar. This panel shows your existing Google Keep notes, just like you'd see them in the Keep app or on the Keep website. You don't need to type anything new here, just to make the connection work. As long as you're signed in with the same Google account, your notes will appear automatically and stay in sync. From here, you can scroll through your notes, open them, and refer to them while you're looking at your schedule. This is especially helpful if you keep task lists, reminders, or project notes in Keep, and you want to reference them as you plan your weekend calendar. Now, sometimes you might create a new note in Google Keep and not see it appear right away in the calendar panel. If that happens, don't worry. Look in the top left corner of Google Calendar for the refresh icon. It usually looks like a circular arrow. Click that icon to refresh your calendar page. Once it reloads, click the Google Keep icon on the right again to reopen the panel. Your new note should now be visible. And that's really all there is to it. By opening Google Calendar, clicking the Google Keep icon on the right, and refreshing if needed, you can quickly connect and access your Keep notes directly alongside your calendar.